Imagine a world where everyday objects can think, sense, and communicate. From smart homes to intelligent healthcare systems, technology is transforming how we live and work. This transformation is made possible by one powerful concept, the Internet of Things. In this video, we will explore the basics of the Internet of Things, its core components, real-world applications, challenges, and future impact. The Internet of Things, commonly known as IoT, refers to a network of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and internet connectivity. These devices can communicate with each other and exchange data without human intervention. The core idea of IoT is simple: collect data from the environment, process it intelligently, and take appropriate action. By connecting devices to the Internet, IoT enables automation, real-time monitoring, and smarter decision-making. An IoT system consists of several key components. Sensors collect data from the environment, while microprocessors process this data. Networks enable communication between devices, and actuators perform actions based on instructions. Power sources keep devices running, and IoT applications provide user control and monitoring. IoT is widely used across multiple domains. In healthcare, it enables real-time patient monitoring. Smart homes use IoT for automation and security. In transportation, it supports traffic monitoring and smart parking. Industries use IoT for smart manufacturing and predictive maintenance. Over the past decade, the number of IoT platforms has grown rapidly. This growth reflects increasing innovation, market demand, and widespread adoption across industries. As connectivity improves, the IoT ecosystem continues to expand, shaping the future of digital transformation. In conclusion, the Internet of Things plays a crucial role in shaping the future of technology by improving efficiency, connectivity, and innovation across various fields. Despite challenges such as security and interoperability, IoT continues to create smarter and more connected systems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching.